Bullish Uniswap cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $31.73 and $59.94 by 2030. Market investigators accept Uni could reach $24.68 by 2025. Bearish Uniswap market cost expectation for 2023 is $5.64. Uniswap presentation. In 2021, cryptographic money brokers cherished the Uniswap coin, which saw huge benefits all through its concise presence. In any case, as 2022 moved close, the decentralized trade token saw a plunge as the altcoin market shrank. Uniswap actually accomplished a critical achievement in May 2022. Complete exchanges on the DEX outperformed the $1 trillion imprint, despite the troubling presentation of its local coin. What future possibilities might we at any point predict for Uni? Go along with us underneath as we look at the cost expectation for the Uni token throughout the following couple of years to keep awake to date on every one of the latest measurements and projections for this out-of-the-blue famous cryptographic money. What is Uniswap? 2018 November, Uniswap, a decentralized trade, had its true send-off. The stage, a decentralized application based on the Ethereum blockchain, works with the transformation of Ether into a scope of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap rewards liquidity suppliers with commission installments to support them. For what reason did last year's Uniswap drive take off? The stage's ease of use and interoperability with the MetaMask wallet are the essential drivers. The clients likewise have unlimited authority over their confidential keys. The Uniswap's point of interaction was less difficult to use than those of the other DES. In this manner, it is just a robotized market producer utilizing open source code. There is no organization book and no outsider is involved. This decentralized stage works with smooth and straightforward exchange along these lines. The AMM instrument is the underpinning of Uniswap. With the utilization of ERC20 symbolic pools, liquidity is created. A commission of 0.3% is charged by liquidity suppliers for each exchange. This cash goes into the pool's save account. Each commission is paid out to Uni holders at a pace of 0.05%. with the excess 0.25% going to liquidity suppliers. Despite the fact that Uniswap isn't the principal task to utilize AMM, it did enormously advance this line of examination, which prompted the development of extra conventions with a comparable design. Uniswap Specialized Examination. For the beyond couple of months, the cost development has been illustrative, similar as the entire digital currency market. Considering that Uniswap is delivering the third form, the rate rise is expected. The people that deal with the Uniswap specialized investigation by means of the trading view stage accept that Uni token will rank among the main 5 elective monetary forms this late spring. They guarantee that financial backers currently get a 3x benefit. Extremely bullish, then. Uniswap current cost. Uniswap is as of now worth $7.05 USD. Uni has moved 6.82% as of now with an exchanging volume of $122,920,622. Uniswap is as of now positioned 18 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $4,913,072,510 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Uniswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Uniswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Uniswap Value Forecast 2023. Uniswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Uni cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $10.58. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $9.87 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Uni is supposed to have a base worth of $8.46. Uniswap Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Uniswap Uni cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Uni will before long outperform $17.63. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Uni's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Uni will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.10 and a typical exchanging cost of $15.51. Uniswap Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $24.68 and Uni might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Uni is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $22.57 and a low of $21.16 in 2025. Uniswap value expectation 2026. In the event that Uniswap effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Uni coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Uni will be green in 2026. The Uni is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $31.73, with a base cost of $28.21 and a typical cost of $29.62. Uniswap value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Uni cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $36.67 by 2027, with a base cost of $35.26 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Uni has a greatest value worth of $38.79. Uniswap value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $43.72. On the off chance that Uni figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $45.84. Neglecting to accumulate the help Uni needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $42.31. Uniswap value forecast 2029. While Uni is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $49.36 and a yearly cost close above $52.89 in 2029. Uniswap value forecast 2030. By 2030, Uniswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $56.42 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $59.94, averaging out at $57.83. Uniswap value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Uni cost in 2031 is projected to be $69.11 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $66.29. And we can completely state by taking a gander at the Uniswap coin diagram that the Uniswap token is beneficial to put resources into. Moreover, considering that the cost of the Uni coin has expanded by around 560%, it has areas of strength for and of positioning among the main 10 digital currencies. What is the Uniswap cost today? Today, Uniswap is exchanging at $7.05 with an all-out market capitalization of $4,913,072,510. Is Uniswap a wise speculation? Uniswap ended up